Hi, welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we are going to do an inversion practice using mostly the forearms today. Starting off with our side crow, our funky side crow, lining up a wrist and a forearm. So your wrist is in line with your elbow. Tipping your weight forward, stacking your legs knee over that elbow. So playing around with that one more time. That arm that you have the hand planted on is where you will stack your legs. Great job. Let's move on to the next one. Our forearm stand, lining up elbow and elbow, around shoulder width distance, coming through dolphin, and then playing with coming up onto the tippy toes, lifting one leg at a time. Kicking one leg up, maybe you feel like you have enough control to lift both legs. Engaging the core, belly button to your spine. You can bend one knee, bend the other, find stag legs. So gazing between the hands here. Shake it off. Fantastic job. Let's go into our baby crow. So planting the forearms down, dolphin pose, straighten out through the legs. And then you're going to gently bring your knees behind your triceps, closer to your armpits here. As you tip your weight forward, maybe one toe lifts, maybe the other. And then drive both heels towards your glute as you lean your weight forward. Gently coming down, shaking it out, and then trying one more time. Planting the forearms down, lifting the hips up, gazing between the forearms, bringing your knees to your triceps. Big lean forward, don't feel afraid of the earth, it's there to help you. So good. Thank you so much. This was Flow with Sky. I'll catch you next week. Bye.